Hello everybody, E here. I got a package. Alright, so this one I told you guys about last time. This is part of, I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but I unboxed Bazan. Well this, before that, I unboxed, please stay up, thank you. I unboxed this version. This is the regular edition from Thunderstorm Books. Oh, yep, you're gonna fall over. It's all gonna go down. Oh, come back here. Sedgwick. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up this one. I designed the cover for these. I have not seen these in person yet. They've already gone out to the collectors. Paul's already sent those out. Paul's Thunderstorm, of course. And we are going to jump into this. I've been looking forward to this one now. Now it's a jersey. Oh wow. Okay. I got an extra copy. Thank you, Paul. Thank you. Hey, who can say giveaway? Who can say giveaway? One is mine. One goes to someone else that is very special to me. And then one will go to one of you guys, I guess. Oh, Paul, I love you, man. Dude. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Ladies and gentlemen, the sound of broken ribs. Yes, that is the deluxe edition, and the back is my artwork. This is a painting I did. He's right here if you... I don't think I showed... Oh, everything's falling down. This is the actual painting I did. Let's get the Lorn back up there. This has been an episode of things falling over. I knew it was going to happen. I knew it. Okay, so this has the tie-in spine with the other one. Alright? And then side by side they look like, oh wow. Dude, yeah. That is so nice. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm sorry. I am completely geeking out here, y'all. This is ridiculously awesome to me. Okay, so this is what it looks like without that prettiness. But look at these end papers. They match the artwork, the black and gold. Paul, wherever you get your end papers, you do an amazing job on the end papers, man. Holy wow. Alright, this is the signature sheet. I designed that as well. Wow. Alright. Okay, so title page. Then, dedication. Okay, so the cover, art, design, and signature sheet all by moi. Copy editing by Kyle Liebeck and Leigh Haig. Interior layout by Leigh Haig. Thank you guys. Thank you to Kyle and Lee. I'm not sure which one. But thank you so much for your terrific work on this. I really do appreciate it. I am super proud of this. This is gorgeous. I couldn't have asked for a prettier copy. This edition of the book is sold out. But if you got a hold of it, there are two short stories in the back. One is Out of Sight, Out of Mind, and the other one is called Something Else. And the other one is Something Else. No, it's literally called Something Else. Here are the dust jacket fold-ins. And here's the back one. That's just information about me. Anywho, this is super nice. So let's do a giveaway. If you would like a copy of this one, I'll even throw in a paperback also. I'll do one of these, and I'll throw in a paperback. Actually, you know what? Let's do three copies. Someone's going to get this, someone's going to get a paperback, and someone's going to get the ebook. Okay? So comment down below whatever you want to comment. I don't care. You don't have to subscribe or any of that nonsense. All I need you to do is to comment down below, and that'll instantly put you in the running. I say I'll do the drawing, February 1st? Let's do February 1st. Okay? Sound good? Until next time, I have been E, you've been you. This has been an unboxing of the deluxe edition, I can't stop smiling, of The Sound of Broken Ribs. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!